Hello friends. Today I am going to show how to make a simple port scanner using Python under 5 minutes, so let's get started. For this I am going to use Kali Linux virtual machine on VMware. At first I am going to start Kali Linux on VMware. For writing code I am using JetBrains PyCharm IDE. After opening PyCharm I start a new project named Port Scanner. Why? So let's write the code. After writing the code, we have to install one library named IPY. For this we have to open terminal on PyCharm and write the command pip3 install IPY. It will automatically install the IPY library. After that I write import socket, and from IPY we import IP. Then we print a message port 80 scanner. After that we define IP address which was taken input by the user. Then whenever I start the program, at first it will print port 80 scanner, then it will print enter IP address, then it will take an input of IP address from the user. Then I have defined the port 80. Like if else statement, here we use try and except. Then I define the sock is equal to socket.socket functions. You can give any name to socket.socket function. After that sock will try to connect IP address and port. Which was given by the user. After successfully connecting, it will print port is open. Otherwise it will print port 80 is closed. After writing the code, it is the testing time, so let's open the terminal on PyCharm and give the command python 3 port scanner. Why? Whatever you give the name of the program. Then at first it will print the message port 80 scanner, then it will ask for IP address and take an input from user. After giving the IP address it will show the port is open or not. In that case the port is open. I give another input of the IP address, in that case the port is closed. We can run this program from Kali Linux terminal also. For this I am open the terminal from download directory. And give the same command python 3 and the program name port scanner. Why? Then it will take input from me. After giving the IP address it will show port is opened or not. I scan for both open and closed port IP addresses. So that how you can create a simple port scanner under 5 minutes. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.